don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear, and you're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad.
Hi Trendsetters, welcome back to Trendy Luxe Club. I'm Ariana, and in today's video I will be doing an unboxing. First up is the Traveler's Notebook from Foxy Fix in Sugar Cherry Blossom and the Planner Society May Kit. Super excited to start opening these babies up, so let's hop right into it. So first is, so this is very nice. They gave me a sample of the sugar cupcake in this baby blue color. And there's cards in here. I will say this is my very first Traveler's Notebook by Foxy Fix. So super excited to do this and share this with you guys because, you know, you want to make some positive changes in your life. And I said, why not get a Traveler's Notebook and start journaling, you know, writing on my to-do list, being organized. So I just felt like a change was needed and thought that this would be the best bet for me because I like to be creative as well. When you first order it, it takes up to 30 days to get. But what's great is that it's very customizable. You can do different designs on the leather, different embossing, get different colors. So without further ado, let me just stop talking and open it up. So here it is, and loving this so far. I did get Boss Babe embossing right on the front cover and a cute diamond on the binding. Pink is one of my favorite colors. You can see I have it on today, and I love flowers. And so far, my thoughts are that it's a very soft leather. You know, I do like what I did with the design of this Traveler's Notebook. I did the light pink stitching around it, light pink elastic, just to go with the overall theme. The embossing that's on the front as well as on the binding is in rose gold. Let's open it up. Oh, ooh, there's some dirt right here in the middle. That's a quality control issue. You would think if you're spending so much money on leather that it would come to you clean. But I mean, I guess that's okay because mostly it'll be covered, but yeah, I'm kind of a little disappointed that it has this dirt mark there, but I guess, you know, that'll make do because they don't accept returns, so there's that. This is the pocket size. I feel like this is perfect for me. I love the petal design here. A lot of people go with the secretarial, you know, different pockets on the sides, but this is what I feel like works best for me. You know, there is an extra elastic that's right there. So, I mean, overall, the leather seems like it's in really great shape. It looks like it's really sturdy, and I'll be able to, you know, use this for a very, very long time. I do plan on, you know, stuffing this baby to capacity. I cannot wait to do my setup. I mean, other than the dirt being there, I feel like, I don't know if it was worth the wait for 30 days to receive this guy, but you know, you can see the craftsmanship all the way around here. I did not get the option for the pen loop right here because I just feel like that would add more bulk to the Traveler's Notebook, and you can kind of see where they would do a pen loop if you ordered it soon as it launched, and you know, they have all different sizes and setups that you can do, and you know, have it wide with, you know, more strings, whatever your heart desires you can do. Not have to have the pockets if you don't want. There's other pockets that you can do inside of your traveler's notebook. You can pick different colors of the stitching, which is nice. You can do whatever color you want there. You can do different lettering if you like, or just a symbol, which is great. You don't have to do any at all. This definitely costs more to do, the embossing on the front and the binding, so I chose to have pay that extra amount just to have it more personalized for myself. And then, as you can see, there's the Foxy Fix logo on the back of it. Overall, I do like this. I like the leather. I just wish it was a little different color inside, but I mean, it does match, so that's totally fine. Being organized, knowing where everything is, like my to-do list, my weekly calendar, just super excited to get this set up. And what's great too is that it came in this cute little Foxy Fix bag. And I also ordered a secretarial style pocket that I can put inside here when I do my setup on my traveler's notebook. So be sure to check out part 2 of the unboxing for the Planner Society's Make It. With that said, that's all I have for you guys today. Bye, Trendsetters!